Industry Data Analytics latest published Global HVAC Pressure Sensors Market 2022 Rising Business Opportunities and Global Trends till 2027. The users of the HVAC sensor market involved commercial, residential, automotive, industrial, and others. The current environment of the commercial is extremely competitive as topmost companies are dared by the need for safety, quality, productivity, and environmental protection. The global HVAC pressure sensors market is register 5.8% CAGR in terms of revenue. The global market size will reach $520.3 million by the 2027. Global HVAC pressure sensors market players are Emerson Electric, Sensirion, Stra Systems Incorporated, BAPI, Greystone Energy Systems, Cleveland Controls, Momic Systems, E+E Electronic Guest.M.B.H, and others. Furthermore, the global HVAC pressure sensors market is divided by type, and by applications. Key highlights. January 2020, Honeywell announced the launch of a new, high-performance, value-priced line of media-isolated stainless steel pressure sensors, MIP, for the industrial and HVAC market. The sensors were designed to withstand extreme temperatures and resist corrosion. The sensors are used by engineers to create high-performance HVAC systems, medical and biomedical processes, marine systems, aircraft systems, environmental engineering, laboratory, and wastewater and other industrial applications. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at industrydataanalytics.com.